This submitter had lent his Model Y out to his father when he got a notification on his phone that a collision had been detected. His father had been driving home from work when an oncoming pickup drifted across the center line and headed straight toward him. The pickup impacted the Tesla's fender before ricocheting into the woods. The collision spun the Tesla practically in place, leaving it facing the opposite direction. One of the front wheels, with suspension parts attached, was ripped off the car and left in the road. The Tesla automatically notified emergency services, and first responders wasted no time. Firefighters, paramedics, and police all arrived at the scene within minutes. Both drivers were able to walk away from the collision without any serious injuries, but they both went to the hospital to be checked out just in case. Our submitter has made an insurance claim, but no repair estimate has been completed yet. Based on what we've seen, we wouldn't be surprised if the Tesla is deemed a total loss. Insurance scammers, mysterious convoys, full self-driving miracles, Tesla haters, and the incredible wrecks we're famous for. All this and more is in this week's episode of
Wham Baam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Ahmed was driving in the right lane of a road when a delivery van turned out in front of him. Ahmed moved over to the left lane to get around the van as the van driver put on their turn signal to indicate they were preparing to turn at the next side street. Suddenly, a Lexus SUV shot out in front of him. The delivery van had partially blocked the SUV driver's view before they decided to dart across the road, even though they couldn't see if it was clear. I think we can all agree that if your view is blocked, you should assume that the area behind the obstruction is not clear rather than the other way around. Ahmed's Tesla automatically called 911, a safety feature he really appreciates, and first responders arrived quickly. His front bumper cover was heavily damaged and the steering wheel airbag deployed, but incredibly there were no major injuries. Noah's father was driving down a highway when an oncoming box truck collided with the median barrier. Noah's dad told us it looked like the truck's tire exploded, and he was afraid it might be launched over the barrier and into oncoming traffic, which would have been a very dangerous situation. Miraculously, this didn't happen. Noah's dad pulled over where it was safe to do so and called the California Highway Patrol. Thankfully, an officer was parked just down the road. This video is a good reminder about how vulnerable road workers are. Just imagine if the truck's tire had exploded a split second sooner. Our fans have consistently voted BMW drivers to be the worst drivers on the road, but this video proves that some of them do have skills. In spite of that great save, the BMW driver stayed on brand and didn't use turn signals. Karthik stopped to check on the driver who'd spun out. She was stunned, but otherwise fine and able to drive away from the scene unhurt. This submitter had parked his Cybertruck on the streets of Pittsburgh when, as he tells the story, the Joker found it. A man walking on the other side of the street spotted the shiny truck before deciding to cross the street in an effort to get closer. He wasn't approaching to admire the Cybertruck though, he had other plans. After walking to the front of the Cybertruck, he hawked a huge loogie on the windshield. Thankfully, the 5-foot-long Giga Wiper made short work of his DNA. The Joker was long gone by the time our submitter discovered this footage, but his explanation of the situation sums up the guy's motive pretty perfectly. They hate us 'cause they ain't us. Justin was driving his Cybertruck with full self-driving engaged when he suddenly heard a loud engine revving and tires screeching. He was looking around trying to find where the sound was coming from before he watched a red Mustang hit the barrier on the right side of the bridge. Justin was so distracted by the collision that he didn't notice the driver in front of him had started braking. Full self-driving smoothly maneuvered around the SUV without Justin ever intervening. It seems like the driver of the red Mustang had accelerated, lost traction, and overcorrected before losing control and spinning out. Either that, or perhaps he'd ruptured a tire before losing control. Justin told us he was already running late to pick up his mom from bingo, so he kept going. Martin was on his way to pick up his brother from DC with full self-driving engaged when he noticed a Honda waiting in the median. Martin thought there was no way the Honda driver wouldn't see him, especially since his Model 3 is wrapped with a shiny gold finish. Never underestimate a Honda driver, Martin. His Tesla's forward collision warning sounded while FSD began braking, but Martin wasn't convinced it would slow down enough to avoid a collision. He took manual control by jerking the wheel to the right, automatically disengaging FSD. Honda bump avoided. Alan was driving his Tesla Model 3 behind a Model Y when a Toyota driver suddenly dove toward the HOV lane. The Tesla driver managed to avoid a collision, but she did hit the curb, damaging the rear wheel. The Tesla driver stopped, but the Toyota driver just sped off. Alan stopped to see if the Tesla driver needed help, but she declined and told him she was only a little shaken up. Knock knock, who's there? Evidently not the door of that truck, as it flew off right in front of David. David slammed on the brakes to avoid the flying door as the driver of the truck just kept on trucking. I guess where he's going, he won't need doors. David was headed home with his wife Erica after a Valentine's Day date when she pointed out something odd while they were stopped at a traffic light. It was so weird, David wasn't even sure what they'd actually witnessed. He quickly saved the Teslacam footage so they could review it again later. Okay, either this is a very persistent cart demon attack, or that person needed a little extra cargo space. It didn't look like anything was actually in the shopping cart, so neither David nor we have any idea what was going on here. It was a rainy night in Cambridge, Massachusetts, as our submitter was circling around trying to find a parking spot. When he finally found an open space, he started carefully backing into it. A Toyota driver had been following behind him, and when our submitter began backing up, they held their ground, refusing to back up and give our submitter any room. Thanks to his backup camera, our submitter could tell he had enough room, so he continued reversing. Suddenly, the Toyota driver started screaming at him. The guy got out of his car and approached our submitter's Tesla, continuing to shout and claiming that our submitter had backed into him. Our submitter told us he'd felt and heard no impact, and his Teslacams hadn't shown any contact, so he knew for sure there hadn't been any collision. Even so, he gave the guy his insurance information after he furiously demanded it while insulting him. He knew he'd done nothing wrong, but he didn't want the guy to come back later and key his car. Our submitter told us the whole thing felt like some kind of setup, as if the guy had been hoping he'd panic and admit fault so he could scam his insurance provider. Sadly for him, our submitter's Teslacams had recorded the entire event from multiple angles. If the guy tries to make a false insurance claim, our submitter has rock-solid proof that nothing happened. He went ahead and reported this incident to his own insurance provider, just in case. Our submitter was with his wife as he drove down a Texas highway at 81 miles per hour when a rental truck towing a car overtook them in the passing lane. The speed limit here is 80 miles per hour, and our submitter immediately noted to his wife that the dolly that driver was using to tow their car was only rated for 55 miles per hour, but they must have been going at least 85. What could go wrong? Seconds later, one of the dolly's tires exploded, scattering debris all over the highway. Thankfully, the rental truck immediately pulled over on an off-ramp. Half a mile later, our submitter stopped and checked for damage to his Tesla. Finding nothing, he continued with their 16-hour road trip to Arizona. Have fun, you two. Tesla road trips are a blast. Brace for impact. Something like a piece of fencing or siding flew out of a utility truck's bed in front of Addison before impacting her left fog light and front bumper cover. Addison sped up and flashed her high beams in an attempt to get the driver's attention, but he ignored her. After stopping and examining the damage, Addison caught up to the truck again and tried to signal the driver to pull over, but he just flipped her off and shouted obscenities at her. After she noted his license plate number, she decided to move on. Addison told us the damage is minor, so she'll be attempting to fix it herself instead of making an insurance claim. Jorge was driving behind a cop car when a Tesla Model S Plaid with no license plates passed him on the right. The Tesla driver then dove across the gore point and cut off the cop. Okay, we're up to 3 offenses now. No license plates, crossing the gore point, and cutting off a cop car. But the cop didn't do anything about them. Why do you think the cops seem to ignore this reckless driver? Post your theories in the comments. Peter was heading south on I-5 from Oregon to California when he noticed a Ram truck closing fast in his rearview mirror. Peter assumed the pickup driver was planning to prove his manliness, but it's hard to tell. Rolling coal on Teslas seems to be a dying fad. In fact, we haven't gotten a coal rolling video in 2 months now. What do you think is about to happen? Well, there's the dinosaur fart. It looks like the coal rolling hasn't stopped yet after all. Peter has owned a Tesla for almost 5 years, but this was his first time being baptized. He told us he loves watching our videos, and he wondered if our viewers have ever successfully identified any of the criminals we've showcased. As a matter of fact, you have. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a special episode showing criminals who were caught with your help. This submitter was driving his Cybertruck down a Virginia highway when he noticed 2 black SUVs passing him in the carpool lane. The SUV in the back got very close to our submitter's lane as it passed him. It was also tailgating the first one very closely, so our submitter was watching and waiting to see what was going to happen. With traffic ahead of our submitter now out of the way, he started to catch back up to the 2 SUVs. As he approached, the trailing SUV merged into our submitter's lane, cutting him off and preventing him from continuing. In response, he flashed his high beams at the SUV, but the driver replied with some flashing lights of his own. Our submitter decided to back off, confused about what had just happened. We're not sure what was going on either. It looks like the 2 matching SUVs were headed toward an airport. Perhaps this was a security escort for a VIP. What do you think? Our submitter sent us these photos of the new wrap his wife picked out for their Cybertruck. He said letting her choose the color was the only way she'd let him get a Cybertruck, but that we shouldn't mention that. Oh, whoops. Forget I said that last part.
Wham Bam, we got a Patreon man. Please support the show.